Okay,
Hello.
greet everyone, guys.
Hello, good
Hi
evening po.
everyone! Evening na ba? Good
Yes,
evening
evening.
po. Thank you so much for being here.
So, first of all, congratulations on your sold-out concert. Palakpakan naman natin sila
Thank
for
you po, thank
Add
you.
to Heart. Okay, so how does it feel now na it's been weeks since? So, nag-sink in na ba na nangyari talaga yung lahat?
Nag-sync in naman ako, but honestly, nami-miss ko siya. Like, I didn't notice na parang six ata ako na post sa IG dedicated to the concert. Feel na feel, di ba? Tsaka, I would
naman
always...
talaga. Oo.
Minsan lang not everyone can get to stay to the concert sila, di ba? So, feel na feel ko talaga. And, yeah, I would always look at my photos from the concert. And wala lang, ini-imagine ko lang din other things I could have done. Next time naman, paano kaya yung ganun. So, yeah, I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, ako naman I like to look back like through my phone, yung mga rehearsals namin. Kasi during rehearsals, I just set up my phone kung ano kinakanta namin, check my mistakes and review my singing, review yung harmonies. And grabe, ang layo na ng narating namin ni Alexa in terms of our musical performances and also vocally, our vocal capacity.
Ang professional nila, no, hindi lang sila basta nag-enjoy lang, gano'n talagang
Dami sinabi.
criticize nila yung sarili nila talagang hinahanap namin yung mistakes, what could we have
Masyadong
done
formal
differently,
ata,
mga gano'n. Hindi, pero I think that's what makes you grow more as artists,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi kayo nakukontento sa level nyo ngayon, gusto nyo mag-improve. And do you think nakatulong din yung pagka-theater nyo sa walang aray, dun sa discipline na meron kayo ngayon?
Yes, incredibly. Like, major big help. Iba din yung na-instill niya sa amin na discipline, like you said. And also, with how we view ourselves as artists na din. Parang, para po sa akin, I took everything, I take everything seriously naman. Pero parang amplified even more right now. Parang ngayon, mas iba yung seriousness ko for my craft right now. And I don't know, I just want to be associated with greatness.
Wow, big word. Yes. Pero tama, aim high tayo dapat.
Yeah, aim high, always continue to grow. And sa akin naman yung theater really helped me open up my voice in a way kasi the way I sing, I might be a bit too technical here. The way I sing, galing dito sa nasal, I found very nasal sometimes. So I had to learn how to sing from the chest and really project my voice so that the audience would hear. Kasi yung isang complaint ko sa akin dati was medyo mahina daw yung boses ko when I do dialogue during walang aray. So I had to fix that by breathing deeper and just project my voice more and also give more energy to what I'm doing.
And let's also remind everyone, even before you joined PBB, di ba, ang audience mo kasi talaga TikTok. So you were used to just a camera in front of you.
Yes,
So
yes.
doon mo lang ipaproject yung voice mo. But now, with theater and mga concerts na ganito, talagang you have
Yes.
an arena, you have a crowd to sing to. So iba rin talaga. So iba yung training nun.
Yeah, ibang-iba talaga. Kasi TikTok, kahit on the phone, like you just put it near you. Whatever you're gonna say, no matter how soft it is, it's gonna be picked up.
Project, yes. Oo. So, kita-kita namin yung growth dun sa concert ninyo.
Thank you.
Oo. Alexa, you were channeling, if I may say so, Taylor Swift. Oo,
Taylor
can you tell us
Swift.
about that? Pati yung outfit mo. And you watched her, di ba, sa Japan?
Yes, I did. I watched her twice. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, what better place and time to channel my idol kundi sa sarili kong concert, di ba? It was a big decision then for me kasi I didn't want naman people to think that I just copied her. Pero yun nga, she has inspired me a lot kasi talaga. So I think she will be she was bound to be part of that concert with the outfits. And we also, it's my first concert, like a legit concert. So I was very worried about a lot of things. So I wanted my outfit changes to be easy. I wanted it to be fast. And also I said, okay, the bodysuit is perfect because then I can just add skirts on top, pants, whatever. Yun. So parang I was conceptualizing everything. And she also inspired me a lot with the preparation. But yeah, a lot.
Oh, paano? Like, in what terms of preparation?
So I read somewhere that the way she trained for the Eras Tour is she would hop on a treadmill and sing her entire set, her 3-hour set.
Yeah, I
A
heard
grueling 3-hour set. During slow songs, she would walk, and during her upbeat song, she would jog or brisk walk, fast walk. I did that. I did. Although our concert is not close to the Eras Tour a lot.
1 hour and a half.
Yeah, a couple songs lang and hati pa kami. But I did try. I sang her entire. I would watch her docu, the Eras Tour on TV. The whole set, I would do the same thing. So I tried to build my stamina. And when I would work out sa gym, walang pakialam yung mga coach ko sa akin, pero kumakanta rin ako palagi. So yun, kasi that's also something we had to learn in theater.
Mhm.
We would do tabata, and then instead of resting, you sing your number.
Yeah.
So yung hingal, you're able to regulate.
Yeah, parang
But
practice, you
yeah,
practice yourself. Like, even if you're physically tired, you still have to sing.
Yung hingal
Yeah.
mawala, hindi marinig sa boses, kahit pagod, kahit may himatay ka na, parang ganun.
Ang galing. Talagang na-carry nyo yung training nyo sa
We
theater.
really learned a lot. Kaya I would always say I'm very thankful for the experience because it's one thing to be on stage, that's a different experience, but the training, it's so amazing. Like, it's an experience I can't ever pay for anywhere else. So,
Yeah, lahat ng natutunan ko sa Walang Aray, we're gonna take it in showbiz here.
yeah.
Ikaw naman, Katie, ano naman yung mga naging preparations mo for this concert? Meron ka rin ba chinanel na artist?
Wala naman masyado, but I think I'm more inspired by multiple. So yeah, I'd say with the looks, I would say Elvis Presley. Kasi I really like to when I'm doing stage performances, I like to put my hair in a slick back, and then I like to play the guitar. I like to wear suits. Also a bit of John Mayer kasi solo spot din ako with a solo guitar, and sobrang kinabahan ako doon. So yeah, I channeled my inner rock star, I would say. Yes.
Okay, maraming silang questions for you guys, pero bago tayo pumunta sa kanila, last question na lang. How does it feel to be called the hottest musical pair?
Hot ba tayo?
Or not.
Well, the first time we ever...
Thank you so much. You saw me struggling. Thank you.
So the first time we ever heard of the title, we heard about the title, we were like, really? Us? Why? But then, sabi na lang namin, okay, pretty big shoes to fill, but we have to. And we have to make sure that they feel like the title they gave us, we are deserving of, and we make it worth it. So yun na lang, we turned it into our motivation. Yeah, and yeah, we really love music. So, yung musical pair andun na, yung hot on the way pa siguro.
Oo.
Tignan natin.
I'm still building. on the works.
No, but these two are really musically inclined. Diba you also write your own songs? Diba sa PBB, ilan yung kantang sinulat nyo bigla?
Yes.
Diba? Oo. So ibang klase talaga yung talent nila when it comes to music. But now let's open